Zakat on grains and fruits. This only includes wheat, barley, date, and raisin, and the zakat becomes obligatory if they meet these conditions. First, they should be ripe and ready. This means to reach a stage that they are called wheat, barley, date, or grape. Second, one should own them at the time of ripening. Third, zakat belongs to the crops of 1 year even though they do not ripen all at once, such as when the harvest takes place gradually over a few weeks or even months. Fourth, the minimum taxable amount is about 847 kilograms of harvested crop, but this should be calculated in this way. For wheat and barley, they should be threshed then weighed. For the dates, it should be after being picked off the branches and gathered. For grapes, it is to estimate the weight of them becoming raisins.